The horse stood in a narrow strip of waste ground between the bypass and the cemetery wall. How it got there, Moxie couldn't work out. The only way into that patch of scrappy grass was this gate, rusted closed since the dinosaurs had been alive. Moxie's little brother Ryan wobbled his way to the gate's top bar to get a better look at the creature. Climbing, like most other skills, was a bit of a stretch for Rye, but he was game, you had to give him that. He took a long look at the horse and delivered his verdict. "It's mingin'," he said. Moxie had to agree that Ryan had a point. The animal's back was swayed, its hooves splayed out like old men's slippers. Its coat was more mud than fur. But under the mud, Moxie could just make out a patchwork of dark and light. "Piebald." The word came out of her mouth before she knew it. Piebald. Yes, that's what you called a horse splashed with black and white. But how had she known that? Where had that word come from? Deep in Moxie's mind, a memory stirred, like a fish at the bottom of a pond.